Hi, I'm Sue Bowler and I'd like to present to you the premium Micro Aire Inflator. Small and economical, this inflator is designed to be powerful, compact, high quality and affordable, especially for inflating latex balloons. The Micro Aire is also very quiet compared to other low-cost machines on the market. It inflates all latex balloons from 9 inches and larger in size. It includes premium's push-down nozzle activated switch for momentary operation and comes with a foil nozzle adapter specially designed not to overinflate foil balloons. The on-off rocker switch is for continuous inflation. There is a built-in cord wrap on the easy carry handle and it comes with a 1-year warranty. Thank you for watching.